Right, so I'm going to do the south wall first. Just going to go down 4 feet, and I'm going to leave the eaves and stuff because I like to have that there. So I'm just going to take the siding off as far as I need to go, and then get a saber saw, cut all the nails from the inside, and just hopefully pop that board off, and then replace it with the greenhouse panels. I bought them off Amazon. They look okay. They're not super duper thick or anything, but proof of concept here. We'll try them. So just pretty much got my insulation done now. That's as much as going to be insulated. So everything that's not insulated will be eventually windows of some sort. That's the east wall, so I wanted some morning light coming in there, and then west. And then I may do, if I have enough, I may do this little wall in glass too.